The instructions here are write an equation in slope-intercept form for each line. So first we are given 2 points. And so my first point contains the coordinates of 3, 12. We'll call that point 1. So this would have an x that we called 3 would be x1 and 12 would be y1. My second point, point 2, would contain the coordinates 6, 27, and I consider 6 to be x2, the x coordinate of the second point, and y2, the y coordinate of the second point. So our first step in this process is to calculate the slope. Slope, which is given the abbreviation or the letter variable n, m as in mama, consists of the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You could also go y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. As long as the coordinates of your first and second point, if they're, if you go y2 and then subtract y1 and x2 minus x1, that's fine. If you went the other way around, just make sure you go in the same direction for both the numerator and the denominator. So taking the first formula and substituting those values in, we have 27 minus 12 over, and this would be 6 minus 3. 27 minus 12 gives us 15. 6 minus 3 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay? Alright, now there are two ways we could do this. One would be to simply write, and we're looking at this in slope-intercept form, so perhaps this would be the fast way to do it. We write the general form of the equation, which is y equals the slope times x plus b. Alright, well, we know our slope, or m, is 5. So we then substitute that number into the general form. So now we have 5x plus b. And then we take one of our points. So if I take point 1, which contains the x coordinate of 3 and the y coordinate of 12, I can take this x and this y and substitute those numbers in for x and y in this equation to solve, to then find the resulting value for b. So we will go 12 equals 5 times 3 plus b. 5 times 3 being 15, and subtracting 15 from both sides of the equation, I wind up b being equal to -3. So this equation then would be transformed into y equals 5x plus -3, or better yet, y equals 5x minus 3.